Hi, I'm Hanbit, and I'm a pastry chef from Korea. Hi everybody, it's Hanbit. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing cheese blueberry pie. I'm sure a lot of you are aware of blueberry pies, right? Pie with blueberry filling inside. But I thought if you add a bit of cream cheese or cheese filling to it, it's going to taste even better, right? Because it's just going to be much more filling. And in terms of the texture as well, the cream cheese filling will be dense, right? It won't be super dense, but it'll be denser than the blueberry filling. So in terms of the texture, everything matches well. And also blueberry goes well with cream cheese. And they pair well in terms of the flavor as well. So just please give it a go. I'm sure you'll love it. And yes, why don't we start right away? So the first step is to make the pie. And there's actually a previous video on how to make pie crust, how to make pies in general, right? So please take a look at that video. I explain everything in detail. And once you get the hang of how to make pies, you're going to make all sorts of pies because you'll love the texture of pies, right? And so this one is a mini-sized pie. So, I mean, the technique is exactly the same whether you're making a small one or a large one, but please give it a go. Please watch that video carefully, practice it. And once you make the pie shell, yes, we'll go to the next step. Right, I'm going to show you how to make the blueberry compote. And for this blueberry compote, I'm going to start with frozen blueberries. And I've added sugar and glucose. I'm adding glucose for the shine. And over here, I've got cornstarch. And here's the water that I'm going to add into the cornstarch to make a slurry. It's a technique that's often used in cooking, but you do use it in baking as well. And you do that so that the cornstarch doesn't lump. And finally, I'm going to add lemon juice at the end for that citrus kick. So as the frozen blueberries melt and the sugar dissolves, the blueberries will release quite a lot of water. So once it has released a lot of water and you can see that it's boiling, just add your starch slurry. Great, so you control how thick you want it to be. But bear in mind that once it cools down, it's going to be thicker compared to when it's hot. Great, look at this. It's shiny, it has an amazing texture. Of course, it's going to thicken further once it cools down, but it's the perfect texture. Now I'm going to show you how to make the cream cheese filling. And with this cream cheese filling, I'm going to fill it and I'm going to bake it. Here's the cream cheese, sugar, whole eggs, heavy cream, and lemon juice and lemon zest. The tanginess of the lemon will balance out the heaviness of the cream cheese. Great, now I'm going to pour this into the blind baked pie. Great, now I'm going to bake it. So the cheese filling has been baked nicely, so I'm going to place the blueberry compote on top and it'll taste amazing. Wow, as as you would expect, blueberry pairs really well with cream cheese. There is something called blueberry cream cheese, so they pair well. But I think adding that lemon to the cream cheese filling made all the difference. Adding that lemon juice and the lemon zest, it adds that tanginess, so it just removes all that heaviness from the cream cheese. So the flavor matches the texture of the pie itself. Fantastic. So how was it? As long as you can make the pie dough, the rest is actually not that difficult because you just need to make the cheese filling, bake it, and then make the blueberry compote and place it on top. And it tastes amazing, it's fantastic. The cheese pairs well with blueberries. I mean, you'll love it, right? So please give it a go, and I'll come back next time with another amazing recipe. Thank you very much. 감사합니다. For more YouTube videos, please click here. If you want to take a step further with your baking and pastry, then please visit my website on www.hanbitshow.com. Thank you very much. 감사합니다.